Hello, this is Vijay Kumar welcoming you on the behalf of Kathamanch. Kathamanch is an organization based in India carrying out research and various activities related to stories, poems, folklores, folk songs, artifacts, etc. As a part of its activities, we are happy to present here English version of a Hindi poem "Aa Gaye Tum, You Have Arrived," written by a famous Indian poet Mahadevi Verma. She was an outstanding Hindi poet, freedom fighter, women activist, and educationist. She is also regarded as modern Meera. She was a leading poet of Chayawad generation, a period of romanticism in India. We are extremely grateful to Professor Vijay Shankar Verma, a retired professor of physics from University of Delhi, for translating the Hindi poem of Mahadevi Verma, "Aa Gaye Tum." In English, "You Have Arrived." Professor Verma has been active in the field of education and associated with various renowned educational institutions. The presentation of this poem, both in English and Hindi, has been done by a member of Kathamanch, Ms. Meenakshi Kumar. She is also an 11th grade science student. Computer designing of this video has been done by Ms. Latesh Sharma. She is also a Kathamanch member and a storyteller. So here we go. First in Hindi, "Aa Gaye Tum," followed by English translated version of the same, "You Have Arrived."
आ गए तुम, द्वार खुला है, अंदर आओ, पर तनिक ठहरो, ड्योढ़ी पर पड़े पायदान पर अपना अहम छोड़ आना। मधुमालती लिपटी है मुंडेर से, अपनी नाराजगी वहीं उड़े लाना। तुलसी के क्यारे में मन की चटकन चढ़ाना, अपनी व्यस्तताएं बाहर खुटी पर ही टांग आना। जूतों संग हर नकारात्मकता उतार आना, बाहर खिलौते बच्चों से थोड़ी शरारत मांग लाना। वो गुलाब के गमले में मुस्कान लगी है, तोड़कर पहनाना। लाओ अपनी उलझने मुझे थमा दो, तुम्हारी थकान पर मुनहारों का पंखा झुला दूं। देखो शाम बिछाई है मैंने, सूरज क्षितिज पर बांधा है, लाली छिड़की है नभ पर, प्रेम और विश्वास के मध्यम आंच पर चाय चढ़ाई है। घूट घूट पीना, सुनो इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है जीना। You have arrived. The door is open. Come on in. But wait a moment. On the footrest at the threshold, scrap off your pride. By the jasmine clinging to the boundary wall, pour out your anger. To the tulsi in its bed, offer the anguish of your soul. On the peg outside, hang all your preoccupations. With your shoes, take off your negativity. From children frolicking outside, borrow some mischief. From among the roses, pluck and wear a smile as you come in. Come, burden me your problems. I shall fine away your weariness with my loving care. See, I have spread out the evening, tethered the sun to the horizon, sprinkled vermilion in the sky. The tea is brewing on the warmth of my love and faith. Drink it gently, listen, it's not so difficult to live after all.